Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be decluttering my eyeshadow palette collection. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on your notifications. That way you won't miss another upload from me. And yes, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Guys, so before we jump into the video, I did want to get you guys' opinion on something. So as you guys know, Vlogmas is coming up. I am going to be doing different giveaways throughout the 25 days of Vlogmas this year. So just a little heads up. I am going to be doing 3 different giveaways, like with brand new products and things like that. But because I have been decluttering a lot of stuff and I threw away some makeup and I just have so much left over that I can't really find a shelter that actually takes makeup. All the shelters near me that I found don't really take makeup. So with that being said, I do get a lot of messages when I do my decluttering videos about asking about giving the makeup to them, or do I have any makeup that I'm not using that I want to give them, or something like that. I'm going to be putting together giveaway boxes. Now let me know if you guys would like to receive the giveaway. So I'm going to be doing a poll on the community tab, and I want to get you guys' opinion on it. So I definitely would love it if you guys could go vote. Of course you guys can voice your opinion in the comment section below, but it will really help me out a lot if you guys actually went and voted for that. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about with the community tab, if you go to my homepage, which is always linked below, or you can just click my name, Okivia Howard, and go to my page and then click community. And once you click community, it will show you the community tab, and we can always communicate right there because I always post right there. So pretty much I'm going to be putting a poll right there, and it's going to be 3 different responses. So would you guys like for me to give away the decluttered makeup? Do you want it to be a mystery box, or would you guys like for me to have already showed you guys the box, or just don't give it away at all? Don't give it away also. Those are the 3 options for you guys to choose for, and it's not going to be like makeup that I hit pan on, or it's just messy and unsanitary and nothing like that. All of it's going to be sanitized. All of it's going to be in good condition, because I have a lot of makeup that is like that. So of course the ones that are in good condition and I've only used like once or twice, those are the ones that I'm giving away, not the ones that I've used for years and years and years on out. So yeah, I did just want to make that clear, and it'll be just like you guys getting it from like Glambot or Poshmark or somewhere like that. When people sell their makeup on there, it'll be just like that, but instead of you guys buying it, it'll be me giving it away. So let me know if you guys will be interested in that, and then we can go from there and figure out how often I will be doing these giveaway boxes. So yes, let me know if you guys will be interested in that. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into today's decluttering video, and then we'll get to the giveaways in another video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and declutter my palettes. I will say that I'm probably not gonna get rid of that many of them because I do still use a lot of these palettes. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so we have this Huda Beauty palette. I literally just used this in a tutorial, so I am keeping this one. I know I'm obsessed with Shayla, so I'm keeping this one. And this one is still fairly new. Actually, this is the latest palette that I have, so I'm definitely keeping this one. I will try to link all of the videos that I have with these palettes below, but I just did a tutorial with this one I think last week. Of course, this is like my everyday palette, so I'm keeping this one. And again, I just did a tutorial with this one. I don't really use this one this much, but I want to use it more, so I am gonna keep it and play with it some more, because as you guys can see, it's beautiful, but I just don't use it that much. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give this one away. I'm not really sure. I have a lot of colorful palettes, and I just don't use this one this much. I've been growing my colorful palettes lately, and this is just one that I haven't been using that much, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this one away. And this one is still fairly new. I actually got this one free from an order that I did with ColourPop, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and give this one away. I love this palette from ColourPop, so I'm gonna keep this one. I was given this palette and I've never used it, but I'm gonna keep it because I want to play with it. Definitely keeping my Naked palette because it's still new. I've only used this, actually I've used this a lot since I got it, and I've only had it for a few months. So I think I got it when they discontinued it. So I don't really use this palette here anymore, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and give this one away. It's actually really similar to the Naked palette. I'm gonna show you guys them side by side. Like, they're really similar, and I don't need both, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this one away. This is my It Cosmetics Naturally Pretty palette, and I don't use this one anymore at all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give this one away as well. This is the My Little Pony palette from ColourPop. I've only used this a few times. I've only used this in a few times, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and give this one away as well. I don't really use it that often. I mean, it's beautiful, but I've only used it a couple times, and I'm not gonna really use it, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this one away. Definitely keeping this. This is my Sephora palette with a bunch of different Morphe and colored rain shadows in it. These are a few different Sigma palettes, and I'm gonna go ahead and give both of these away. And then I don't use these Lorac palettes anymore either, so I don't know if I want to give these away, because I did have my fair share of using these. Like, I hit pan on them and everything. So actually, I think I might keep this one. This is my Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one. I still wear these colors, even though I haven't used this palette in a while. I want to use it because it's still a good quality palette. So more colorful palettes. So this one is from Juvia's Place. I'm definitely keeping this one because I'm obsessed with Juvia's Place at the moment. Alright, so we have some Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think we are going to go ahead and give this one away. Urban Decay Electrics palette, and I'm gonna keep this one because you never know when you need like bold colors like this. Moving on to the second drawer. I told you guys I have a lot of palettes. Okay, so these are more so drugstore. The other drawer was kind of higher end and like Juvia's Place and ColourPop. These are just like ones that you can go to the drugstore and get, or you can go to Ulta and get. So yeah, I am going to keep this one because actually I want to keep both of these because I just got these not long ago, and I'm going to keep this one as well. I have two of these Rimmel palettes. Yeah, I have two of these Rimmel palettes. I'm going to keep this colorful one, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one here. This one is from Makeup Revolution, and it looks like that. I really like this palette, but I don't really use it that much just because I have so many others that's like this. Is my Carly Babble palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one as well. I hate that it's like this, but I'll try to fix it before I actually give it away. Alright, so I love this Milani palette, so I'm definitely keeping this one. I like this Milani palette too, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. This is an Almond shadow. I'm going to go ahead and give this one away because I've only used it I think once. Alright, these are all CoverGirl palettes. I'm going to keep all three of these because I actually really like these palettes. This is Maybelline with Shayla. I'm going to keep this one. Alright, then we have some F palettes. I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of these. Let me look at them and make sure. But I think... Yeah. These are some that I got from like Rose Gal, and they're like dupes for like Morphe palettes and stuff like that. And I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of those. And this one is like a dupe for the Huda Beauty palette. And we have some more BH Cosmetics palettes, and I think I have another palette from Rose Gal, if I can open it. And this one, I really like these, so I'm going to keep this one. This one was a dupe for Morphe as well. And then this is a really old e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to throw it away, even though this is like one of the first eyeshadow palettes I ever got, but it's time. It's time. Alright, so these are the palettes that I decided to keep. This is the first drawer with like the higher end palettes and like Juvia's Place, and then this is the second drawer with drugstore. So like I said, I wasn't getting rid of a lot of them, but these are the ones that I decided to keep. Alright guys, and that is the decluttering video for today. Don't forget to go and vote for the poll and let me know what you guys think about the giveaways and what should I do, because I really would love to have you guys' opinion on it. So definitely go vote now for it, please. And yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on your notifications if you haven't done so already. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.